In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Gmail to Zoho CRM. By the end, you'll have your Zoho CRM tools right inside Gmail, so you can view contact details, add leads, and log emails without leaving your inbox. First, open Gmail in your browser. Make sure you're in the Google account you want to connect with Zoho CRM. If you manage multiple inboxes, double-check the profile picture in the top right corner so you don't end up installing the add-on on the wrong account. Give Gmail a moment to fully load the interface before moving on. Next, look to the right-hand sidebar inside Gmail. You'll see a narrow panel with icons for tools like Calendar, Keep, and Tasks. At the bottom of that panel, click the plus icon. This opens Google Workspace Marketplace directly from Gmail, which is where we can add integrations that live in that sidebar. If you don't see the panel, click the little arrow on the bottom right to expand it or switch to a larger window so it becomes visible. In the Marketplace window, use the search bar at the top and type Zoho. You're looking for the Zoho CRM add-on for Gmail. It's typically labeled Zoho CRM for Gmail and published by Zoho. Selecting it here ensures you're getting the official integration designed to surface CRM data while you read or compose emails. Open the Zoho CRM card to view its details, then click Install. Follow the on-screen prompts to grant the necessary permissions. These allow the add-on to display relevant CRM information in your Gmail sidebar and help you log emails to records. Confirm the prompts to complete installation. When the add-on finishes installing, you'll see the Zoho icon appear in the right-hand panel. Click it to open the Zoho widget and sign in with your Zoho credentials. If your organization uses a specific data center region or has single sign-on, choose the correct options as you sign in. After authentication, the add-on will load context about the email you're viewing, like matching leads or contacts, and it will give you options to add or update records directly from Gmail. If the Zoho panel doesn't appear immediately, refresh Gmail and try opening an email to trigger the add-on. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Google and Zoho accounts and that you have permission in Zoho CRM to view or create records. If your workspace is managed by an administrator and installation is blocked, you may need admin approval. That's it. Your Gmail and Zoho CRM are now linked, streamlining your workflow right from your inbox.